Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Kawasaki Ninja 300 ABS. This showroom condition, lightweight sport bike was just acquired from the original owner with just 7,600 miles. Gorgeous satin black finish. This bike is in perfect shape. Brand new tires. Come by, make your motorcycle dreams come true. This gorgeous condition Ninja 300 ABS. Price to sell just $39.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.